In the last class, we discussed installation of Informatica client and Oracle. So now I am installing Informatica server. So click on server, server, again server, Windows, disk 1, install data in this VM install. Click on OK. Next. Next. Here browse the license key, desktop. In Informatica, Oracle is the license key. Open. Next. 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 Don't change any options. Next. Unblock. Install. It will ask for domain user. So at that time we have to create one user in the database. So it will take time to finish the installation, domain configuration, node configuration. So after this installing, domain configuration will start. We have to give a domain user. Create new domain here. Click on next. So here host name is the computer name, port number is 1521. So select your computer name. Computer name, this is the computer name. And port number is 1521. So here we have to create a DB user in Oracle. Connect to SQL Plus. So first enter into sys database. sys@Oracle DB as sysdba, password also sys. So here create user underscore domain identified by password. I'm giving same password, user underscore domain. Enter. Grant DBA to user underscore domain. So we are giving privileges to the user. Connect to user underscore domain, user underscore domain. Select star from tab. So no tables here. Use that user here. User underscore domain. Here also user underscore domain. The service name here Oracle DB, the database name. Test connection passed. Click on next. Enter admin. Click on next. Few more minutes to finish this. Creating a domain node here. After completion of this, you will get 12 tables here. So 12 rows created already. So it will take some more minutes to finish this. So here you can see we'll get, this is Oracle related products, and Informatica, these are the services we got. In the clients we got this. Okay, so to finish this it will take time. Node configuration in progress. Uncheck this. Next. We can exit this. Already it's created the tables. Only few more minutes to complete this installation. Then we can open. Okay, the installation completed. Done. Start all programs. Informatica services. Power Center Administration Console. Here click on continue to this website. Admin, Administration Console. So this is the administration part. Here we are creating repository and integration service. After that we can start the client. Start all programs. These are the client part. Okay, this is the complete installation of Informatica and Oracle. So XP we can install on OS XP. If you have any other operating system, just install virtual machine. On top of that you can install XP and Oracle and Informatica. Okay, these are the client tools. Thank you.